Okay, now for the main course. In here, we've got some of that lovely Perrywood Farm mutton meat that we've kind of rolled into a sausage and added a lot of olives and capers and oregano, garlic. We've got some nice Lane cottage leaves, a few pickles, some potatoes from Hare Hill that we've kind of cooked in lamb stock, some roast fennel and lemon, some green sauce that's kind of a minty basil-y sauce, and some sweet mustard dressing. So the first thing to do is to get our pretend baking tray. And we're literally just going to chuck everything in, pretty much. In goes the fennel, I'll drop the lemons, there's a bit of garlic in there too. And we got our umptious potatoes. And then our sausage meat, which we'll just kind of dot about a bit. There we go. Okay, straight in the oven. The oven's at about 200. I'm guessing it's going to take 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so everything's nearly ready in the oven. Get my plates ready. Do that. Yeah, a little bit of olive oil all over, just to make it glisten. Okay, first, I'm going to put my potatoes down. And then, I think my fennel. Try and be a little bit artistic, if you can, if you want to be. And then let's spot the meat around. Four. There's a few crumbly bits of garlic and olive that I'm just going to sprinkle in. And kind of a bit of roast lemon garnish. Okay, then I think salad. Just a bit of salt and a bit of olive oil is all. Okay, then we'll go pickles. And then just kind of dot them around a little bit. And then I think the mustard dressing, which is a bit like a vinaigrette with extra mustard and extra honey going through it. So. And finally, some of the herby dressing.